Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Hello guys, here we are going to study Mahatma Gandhi, a brief chronology. So at very first we see the birthday of Mr. Gandhi. On 2nd October 1869 at the Porbandar, Gujarat, he was born. At the age of 13, he got married to Kasturba Bai in year 1882, while in 1888 he reached England for the law study. In 1893 he landed at South Africa at the place of Durban to sort out the legal problem of his client Dada Abdullah. In 1893, Gandhi himself faced racial discrimination and humiliation in South Africa. He was thrown off the first class carriage of the train at Petersburg station. So this is the station where he has been thrown. In 1894, founded the Natal Indian Congress. In 1899, established Indian Ambulance Corps during the Boer War. While in 1903, the newspaper Indian Opinion started by Gandhiji in South Africa. In 1904, established Phoenix settlement in Natal. It was a precursor to the Tolstoy form. In 1906, took the vow of Brahmacharya. In 1908, the term Satyagraha adopted based on Manganlal Gandhi's formulation Satyagraha. So the name is very important. Manganlal Gandhi's formulation Satyagraha. 1909, he wrote Hind Swaraja abroad, the Sikh Kingdom Castle. Now, in 1910, established Tolstoy form. In 1912, Gopal Krishna Gokhale's South Africa tour commenced. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the political mentor of Mr. Gandhi. In 1915, awarded the Kaisar-e-Hind Medal. 9 January 1915, when he returned to India from South Africa. In 1917, Sabarmati Ashram established. 1917, the Champaran Satyagraha, the first civil disobedience. In 1917, in Bihar, the district was Champaran Satyagraha. And in 1918, Ahmedabad mill strike, and here first hunger strike. Mr. Gandhi was taken here first hunger strike. In 1918, Kheda Satyagraha, and here he first non-cooperation movement started. In 1919, Satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji called for a countrywide campaign against the Rowlatt Act, civil disobedience against specific laws, and courting arrest and imprisonment. In 1919, massacre at Jallianwala Bagh and massacre of Amritsar, and the date was 13 April. In 1920, Hunter Commission of 1920 appointed to investigate the Jallianwala Bagh or massacre of Amritsar. In 1920, commencement of non-cooperation movement. In 1922, Bardoli Taluka resolved against payment of land revenue and civil disobedience. In 1922, policemen at Chowra killed. Due to this incident, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement, and the date was 5 Feb. In 1924, presided over the Belgaum Congress. So in 1924, he took participate as a chairperson of Indian National Congress. In 1925, All India Spinners Association established by Mr. Gandhi. In 1925, the publication of autobiography, The Story of My Experience with Truth and Satyana Prayoga अथवा आत्मकथा. In 1929, Purna Swaraj resolution adopted at Lahore Congress and the date was 26 Jan. In 1930, Dandi March commenced from Satyagraha Ashram to Dandi and the date 12 March and the reaching date is 6 April. In 1931, Gandhi-Irvine Pact signed. In 1931, in London as sole representative of Congress at the Second Round Table Conference. In 1922, Premier Ramsay MacDonald announced the Communal Award. It was two grand separate electorates for different communities, including the depressed class. It is also known as MacDonald Award. In 1932, Pune Pact signed. It gave depressed class reserved seats in the provincial and central legislative council but to be voted in by the general electorate. In 1932, Harijan Sevak Sangh established by Mr. Gandhi. In 1933, commenced publication of Harijan Sevak, that is in Hindi, and Harijan Bandhu, that is in Gujarati. In 1936, Travancore Temple opened to Harijan. In 1942, Quit India Movement resolution adopted gave the call do or die. In 1946, the three-member British delegations reached Delhi and they were Stafford Cripps, Patrick Lawrence and Abbey Alexander. In 1946, the Congress Working Committee adopted resolution to accept the formation of Constituent Assembly. On 13 January 1948, Godse assassinates Mr. Gandhi. 1948, cremated on the banks of Yamuna by Ramdas. Rajghat, Ramdas was his son. Rajghat is a memorial dedicated to Mr. Gandhi in Delhi. Now, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the Khadi. In 1918, Mahatma Gandhi started his movement for Khadis as relief program for the poor masses living in India's village. He saw it as the end of dependency on the foreign materials, that is symbolizing foreign rule, and thus giving the first lesson or real independence. And the next is Charkha. Mahatma Gandhi was critical of the modern age in which machines enslaved human and displaced labor. He saw the Charkha as a symbol of a human society that would not glorify machines and technology. The spinning wheel could also provide the poor with supplementary income and make them self-reliant. There were two phases of struggle by Mr. Gandhi in South Africa. The first phase was moderate phase of struggle from 1894 to 1906, while the passive resistance phase or Satyagraha from 1906 to 1914. Moderate phase 1894 to 1906. In this phase, he concentrated on sending petitions, memorials to the South Africa legislature, the colonial secretary in London and British Parliament. In expectations of fair play, he also supported the British in the Second Boer War by creating ambulance corps of Indians. After the war, as a token of gratitude, Gandhi was conferred the title of Kesari Hind. He renounced this title after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In this place, in this phase, Gandhiji set up Natal Indian Congress and released his newspaper Indian Opinion. The second is passive persistence. The passive resistance phase or Satyagraha 1906 to 1914. Second phase, Gandhiji used Satyagraha passive resistance or civil disobedience. Gandhiji formed the Passive Resistance Association. With the help of his German friend Kallenbach, he created Tolstoy form to the house Satyagrahi and give them a way to sustain themselves. Tolstoy form was a precursor to the Gandhi's ashram in India. Who is Satyagrahi according to Gandhiji? A Satyagrahi was not to submit what he considered wrong. He was to remain truthful, non-violent, and fearless. He will never bow down before evil law or unjust law. Gandhiji's experience in South Africa. Masses had immense capacity to participate and sacrifice for a cause that moved them. And he was also be able to unite Indians from different classes and religions under his leadership. He realized that leaders have to take unpopular decisions at time. He evolved his own leadership style and techniques for struggle. Gandhi ran four publications: Indian Opinion, Young India, Naujivan, Harijan. As he was not in favor of home rule aggregations, that is, Britain was participating in World War First. So here 9 January 9 Jan 1915 Gandhi returned to India. This day is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in India since 2003. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2021 theme was contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Gandhi's early movement in India, localized struggle and identified with the masses. The very first was Champaran Satyagraha in 1917, first civil disobedience. And here Rajkumar Shukla was named, one who invited him and requested Gandhiji to look into the issue faced by indigo planters. Tinkatia system whereby Europeans planters forced Indian peasants to grow indigo on 3/20 of the total land. And the next is Rowlatt Satyagraha. Rowlatt Satyagraha made Gandhiji a truly national leader. So Rowlatt Act, also known as Anarchical or Revolutionary Crimes Act 1919. It allowed detention. It allows where I was where. So it allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. This act was met by widespread anger and discontent among Indians, especially in the Punjab region. After Champaran Satyagraha, it was the Ahmedabad Mill Strike 1918, first hunger strike. Dispute between the mill owner and workers over the issue of days continuation of the plague bonus. And the last Khera Satyagraha 1918, first non-cooperation. The authorities refused to grant remission due to crop failure. Crops fell due to drought in Khera, that is in Gujarat. And in after the related massacre at Jallianwala Bagh or massacre of Amritsar 1990, General Dyer opened fire on unarmed crowd, killing thousands. People had gathered on the Baisakhi day to protest against the arrest of their leaders Saifuddin Kichlu and Satyapal. So here Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood in protest while Gandhiji withdrew the moment that is Satyagraha against Rowlatt. After his incident, he called it he also Himalayan blunder. And what is it? Kesre Hind gold medal also returned. Hunter Commission of 1920 appointed to investigate the Jallianwala Bagh incident.